In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Ishowspeed official Discord server. If you'd like to join the official Ishowspeed Discord server, you've come to the right place. Discord's server discovery feature makes it easy to find and join many public communities, including official creator servers that are listed in the directory. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to locate the server and join it in just a few simple steps. To get started, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord finishes loading, look at the list of servers on the left side of the screen. Scroll down through your server list until you find the Explore Discoverable Servers option. This feature allows you to browse public Discord communities without needing an invite link. Click the Explore Discoverable Servers icon to open the discovery page. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar where you can look for specific communities. Type Ishowspeed into the search box and wait for the results to appear. Among the search results, look for the official Ishowspeed Discord server. Before joining, take a moment to verify that you've selected the correct community by checking the server name, description, and other available information displayed on the page. This helps ensure you're joining the official public server rather than a fan-made community with a similar name. Once you've confirmed that you've found the correct server, click on it to open its preview page. Here, you'll be able to see additional information about the community before becoming a member. If everything looks correct, click the Join Server button. After a few moments, Discord will add the server to your account, and it will appear in your server list on the left side of the application. You can now explore the available channels, read the server rules, participate in text discussions, and join voice channels if they're available to members. Some servers may also require you to complete a verification process or accept the community rules before you gain access to all channels, so be sure to follow any instructions that appear after joining. That's all there is to it. By using Discord's Explore Discoverable Servers feature, you can quickly find and join the official Ishowspeed Discord server whenever it's publicly listed. Once you're inside, you can take part in the community and stay up to date with announcements and discussions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,